Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your age on TikTok. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, I can tap on the little profile icon on the bottom right here, and then you can tap on edit profile, and you can see once I tap on edit profile, there's not actually a birthday anywhere around here, so it doesn't show your age. And actually the only time that you give TikTok your age is when you first sign up for the account. And what we'll have to do is kind of a sneaky way to change your actual age. So we can tap on the little back icon and then tap on the three lines, then scroll down, and what we want to do is just log out. So now that we're logged out, we're going to tap on the little profile icon, and then we'll go to sign up again. So if we go to sign up again and you go back, you can say use phone or email at the very top. And here it shows you the ability to change your age to whatever you want. So you can change it. Say for example, it was the wrong birthday and you wanted to fix it. You can change it and enter whatever you want. So say for example, September 20th, 1983. Then just tap next. From there, you can either go to email or phone. You can either use your email or your phone number to log back in. So if you just type in your phone number here, it will just send you a verification code, and then you'll be able to log in with that verification code. And from there, it will have your new age on TikTok. So just type in your phone number, it will send you a little text with a code, and then from there, you'll be able to tap on it and log in, and you'll have a new age on TikTok. So that's it, pretty quick and easy. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.